Every year, students and families from throughout the Northeast come to Ridgewood High School on a Saturday. It starts with a science show. It ends with a rocket launch. And in between, hundreds of Ridgewood students showcase their science projects. While over 50 organizations from the Northeast demonstrate their work to students. From airplanes to wild animals to robots, Super Science Saturday provides students and families in northern New Jersey a chance to take science outside of the classroom and apply it to the real world. It's fun and free education for students and their families. To find out more about the next Super Science Saturday, visit SuperscienceSaturday.org.